University and the Computer Internet System. A telescope on Oxenhope Moor is opening up the universe to a new generation of stargazers.
Riding the intergalactic superhighway and bringing outer space right into the classroom. Until recently, an automatic telescope operated by a computer to gaze at the stars was stuff that only a Star Trek fantasy was made of. High above Haworth and Keighley on Oxenhope Moor, a lone observatory is watching the universe. Internet users from Bradford to Brisbane can send instructions to start the telescope tracking the planets.
With the touch of a button, the information is sent through to the point computer and the telescope whizzes into position. It's not just robotic, which means that someone is sitting there hitting a keyboard and it moving. Right from the point where someone in Australia, for example, puts in a request which might take them 10 minutes, and that information is then sent through without any human interaction, and an image is obtained back. In fact, no human eye has to even know what was requested by that person.
But you don't have to live in Australia to be able to count the moons around Saturn. 7 schools in Yorkshire and Humberside will be the first to link their computers to the cosmos.
I think it's great. You can view satellite pictures from our classrooms. It will widen staff and students' knowledge about planets and space.
It's just a minute vision of the way technology is progressing, and it's just going to develop more, so it's just, we need to taste it now so that we know what the future's going to be like.
Well, it's like having a proper scientific telescope on top of the school so that everyone can use it.
As fears grow of the risk of children being exposed to pornography and unsuitable elements on the internet, teachers welcome this constructive use of the system.
You can get into all the garbage, and some of it is frankly disgusting. Everybody's worried about that, and what we want to do is get them through a filtered service onto the internet so that we know what they can access, and they can access stuff that's going to be useful to them in school.
The computer images of planets combines all the latest advances in science. It's a groundbreaking development, but all the scientists need now is a weather station to find a big enough gap in the clouds to see the sky.
Well, and if you'd like to know more about what the Oxenhope Telescope is up to, you can contact Bradford University by computer. Their internet address is http://www.telescope.org/.
So now we know.